I have decided that I'm here to study. I'm in this school to study. That's why I've decided to divorce you.
I had already divorced you. Niko nishaku divorce.
You don't want me? Because you find Onyato. Let me tell you will not live in this school in harmony.
I will leave.
You know why?
I will.
You know why?
Why?
Because when I study, I'm going to Germany to study this biomedical engineering. You know, I'm a student of my passion. I'm a student who know what I've come to school. But you are going to rot at Kisumu Polytechnic.
Siezi rot.
No, I'm telling you the truth. You know why I'm telling you the truth? Because I know you are great.
Siezi. Kati ya mimi
unaumaga madaudi unapata soup tano. You know why? I always get 5 kwa sababu nikienda kwa Imbwana nikienda kukula ananipatia chapati dry na ninatumiaga na natumiaga stop you Onyato wait. No, I know how to communicate. That's why I'm saying nikienda kwa Imbwana nikienda kwa Sungoje nikienda kwa Imbwana nitishaga chapati 3 dry. Netisha chapati 3 dry juu I know I got soup in my class.
Divorced bana.
Nimekudivorce. That's why I'm telling you.
Divorce
Mapema yangu?
Nilikudivorce mapema hadi
you don't know jokes as in Onyato ushamuita babe.
Onyato
you are shut up you guys.